Today I'll be making Japanese miso paste. Are you interested in making your miso paste at home? This easy recipe shows you how to create this flavorful, umami-rich Japanese condiment from scratch. Hi, I'm Julie, your guide to easy Japanese cooking here at Chef J Cooks. For today's recipe, you will need 250 grams of dried soybeans, 250 grams of rice koji, 125 grams of salt. Step 1. Place the soybeans in a large bowl. Cover them with plenty of water and let them soak for at least 8 hours. They should double in size. Grab a copy of my new ebook from Japan with Flavor Vegetarian, featuring over 80 easy vegetarian dishes for everyday cooking. Go to shop.chefjcooks.com. Step 2. Drain the soaked soybeans and transfer them to a pressure cooker. Cover with fresh water. Close the lid and cook over medium heat. Once the pressure cooker reaches full pressure, turn off the heat and allow it to cool naturally until all pressure is released. Drain the cooked soybeans, reserving about 1 cup of the cooking water. Step 3. Place the rice koji in a large bowl. Break it into pieces and mix it with the salt. Step 4. Mash the soybeans using a food processor until smooth. Add the served cooking water as needed to achieve a smooth paste. Step 5. In a large bowl, combine the mashed soybeans, rice koji, and salt. Mix thoroughly until all the ingredients are well incorporated. If the mixture is a little hard, add some reserved cooking water. Step 6. Form the soybean mixture into balls. Pack them tightly into the container, pressing down to eliminate any air pockets. Cover the surface with plastic wrap to prevent air contact. Place a weight on it and cover with a cloth. Step 7. Let it ferment for 6 months to a year in a cool, dark place. I store mine in a pantry under the stairs. Let's open and taste it. Once it reaches your desired taste, transfer it to a container and store it in the refrigerator. Your homemade miso is ready to use. Enjoy it in miso soup, stir fries, and a variety of everyday dishes. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.